Hi guys, today we're here at Combe with Officially Gas and also Racelogic. Today I have the opportunity to drive these two lovely ladies' cars, so please welcome Rach and Amelia Automotive. We're going to have some fun on the track, set some lap times and see how these guys get on. So let's take to the track. Officially Gas, in partnership with Racelogic, have invited us down to Combe to experience some of the Racelogic new technology. We've got the whole track to ourselves with some exciting cars here, even including some TikTok famous one like Boris here. We got to experience a whole range of different cars and really get to grips with the technology. I'm a big V-Box fan already, so let's see how this day goes. So we're here now with Rach, who is most famously known for her rose gold Ford Fiesta ST Stage 2 Revo. Are you excited to take it on track?
I am, I can't wait. Obviously the car is basically built for track. Coilovers, the suspension is absolutely phenomenal, and just for B-road bashing, like, it's absolutely amazing. So I can't wait to get it on track. I've been putting it on off for ages, and today's the day where Becca teaches me around track.
And we'll see how it goes. Let's take to the track. Yeah, it stops your brakes.
Oh. You went lap around the car park, your brakes are like on fire.
Yeah.
Oh, Becca.
Oh, they're actually smoking.
Yeah, they're smoking.
We weren't even braking that hard.
No.
That was gentle braking. Yeah, because I know they're not my brakes. We've literally just got to go round in circles.
No, both of us would have been absolutely like done for if I I changed them, I didn't change them.
I think it wouldn't have necessarily been done for, we just wouldn't have been able to. Everyone's gonna be like, why are they doing circles?
Oh, because.
Getting used to the clutch better. So now we're here with Amelia Automotive with her GTI TCR. Excited?
Very, and nervous at the same time.
Looking forward to taking it to the track and seeing what it's about.
I am, and I'm glad you'll be in the car to help me.
Well, let's take to the track. So bumpy around here. Guys, there we have it. It's been a really fun day with the girls and also meeting some amazing people and having just a bit of fun on track and being around like-minded people. It's definitely the break we needed. So huge thank you to Racelogic for inviting us down, letting us use their tech. Obviously anyone that knows me knows I absolutely adore V-Box. It is an awesome set of equipment. And also Officially Gas and the Gas Can for inviting us down today. So there we have it. You guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.